Hi, thanks a lot for making the time for watching this video. My name is Eric Bauman, and as an ERP change expert at Panaya, my team has helped realize thousands of successful ERP change projects with over 2,000 enterprise customers. In this video, I'd like to share with you some of my insights, specifically the 3 best practices that will help you simplify and accelerate your ERP change projects, so you can reduce the time and cost by 50% and risk by 100%. Whether you are running Oracle EBS or SAP ERP, you already know that your ERP system is a subject of constant change. We see the constant change happening on 3 fronts: maintenance, functional changes, and innovation. Running your ERP is critical to your daily business, and business processes must continue to run seamlessly regardless of the ERP changes you're implementing. However, change has a domino effect, and when you make a change in your ERP, it will have a downstream impact. Here's an example of a traditional ERP order-to-invoice business process. This typical workflow runs through order processing, order fulfillment, and then billing. Now think how this will be affected if the business has decided to add a new option for dispatching delivery to a customer. This, in turn, will affect warehousing, shipping, inventory, financial reports, and MRP forecasting. And this is where the trouble starts. As you can see, these are distinct functions within the ERP owned by different teams. And now you need to understand what business processes will be impacted, what tests you need to run for efficient QA, and 3, what is the risk to production overall? So how do you tackle this ripple effect? Well, you don't. This one's too tricky to be left up to manual heuristics. Let machine learning deal with it. The first best practice I'd like to talk to you about today is automating those processes and help you mitigate risk, like impact analysis and code quality reviews. Change impact needs to be assessed at the start of a project. Today, this process is manual and error-prone. But what if you could automate it? Run a quick analysis and get your insights from the start. The impact objects and their respective production usage, your test coverage score, code quality defects, and their correction tasks. You can see where I'm going with this, right? Pretty cool. When making changes to your ERP system, one of the greatest challenges, and in turn bottlenecks, is testing. Whether you're running Oracle EBS or SAP ERP, deciding what to test is a major issue. Today, because of a lack of visibility into impact, QA teams take an extra cautious approach and over-test, spending too much time and money just to be better off safe than sorry. But it doesn't have to be this way. My number 2 best practice for today is about implementing risk-based testing. Risk-based testing means that test plans are defined based on impacted objects and their usage. With the test plan in place, the right solution can automatically generate tests based on machine learning or pull from your existing test library. Updating, maintaining, and customizing your ERP is part of SAP and Oracle Lifecycle Management. This painstaking cross-functional process involves different teams, practices, and tools. Unfortunately, while automation is the goal, we still see that in the world of ERP application testing, documentation, approvals, and workflows are still manual. So our final best practice for you today is to accelerate ALM by automating practices that are traditionally manual, with features like test, record, and play. Tests are automatically recorded for documentation purposes. The playback can be used for training and test case building. The recorder speeds up defect resolution by providing the actual defect for the development team to recreate. Requirements traceability matrix is another ALM feature that provides all team, the business, development, and QA, visibility into what they need to deliver from the start, helping shift left test planning and removing the silos that separate teams. Finally, automatic documentation and e-signatures can really simplify compliance audits. Okay, we've covered a lot. Time to recap. With over 10 years expertise in ERP change, Panaya Release Dynamics has helped global Fortune 500 customers deliver ERP change faster and safer. And the promise that I made to you earlier, 50% faster and 100% safer SAP and Oracle changes, has been realized by our customers. Would you like to experience this for yourself? Learn more at panaya.com or just click on the screen. Thank you.